Imagine waking up and discovering the most dangerous thing inside your body gave you no warning at all. No pain, no shortness of breath, no dizziness, just years of microscopic injuries quietly building up in your arteries. One day, these silent threats trigger heart attacks, strokes, fatigue, and the kind of aging we think is normal. Today we reveal 7 hidden dangers quietly damaging your body, and one simple daily habit proven to help reverse the damage. This is a journey into the hidden world within us, where small daily choices can either build health or erode it. By understanding these threats, we can disarm them, not with drastic measures but with simple, consistent actions. Let's begin. Our first silent threat is everywhere: refined sugar. It's not just in desserts but hidden in countless processed foods. When you eat it, your blood sugar surges, fast and dramatic. Your body scrambles to respond, flooding your system with insulin. Repeated sugar spikes stress your arteries, triggering chronic inflammation. Imagine thousands of tiny paper cuts inside your blood vessels, day after day. The body tries to heal, but in this inflamed state, the repair process goes wrong. Damaged artery walls become sticky, attracting fats and cholesterol. This is how atherosclerotic plaque forms, narrowing and hardening arteries, setting the stage for heart attacks and strokes. Refined sugar's sweetness is deceptive. It quietly sabotages your health. The damage is cumulative, often unnoticed until a crisis hits. And it's not just your arteries. Sugar-driven inflammation affects your immune system, skin, and even your brain. The body is interconnected. A fire in one part sends smoke everywhere. The real danger isn't the occasional treat, but the constant hidden sugar in our daily diet. It's in your cereal, sauces, and salad dressings. By becoming aware of this hidden spike, you can choose steady energy over destructive inflammation. Swap out sugary foods for whole, unprocessed options. Read labels and be mindful of what you're really consuming. Small changes add up to big protection. Knowledge is your best defense. Next, let's talk about reheated oils, a threat that comes from how food is cooked. Reusing cooking oil, common in restaurants and home kitchens, turns it into a source of internal damage. Each time oil is reheated, it breaks down, creating unstable molecules called free radicals. These free radicals act like microscopic shards, scraping your artery walls and triggering inflammation. The body's antioxidant defenses are overwhelmed, leaving arteries vulnerable. Damaged artery walls become sticky, attracting cholesterol and forming dangerous plaques. Foods like fries, fried chicken, and takeout are often cooked in these oils. You can't tell by taste, but your arteries pay the price. Choose foods baked, steamed, or grilled, and use fresh, stable oils at home. Avoiding reheated oils is a simple way to protect your blood vessels. Every meal is a chance to reduce oxidative stress. Make conscious choices about how your food is prepared. Your arteries will thank you. Small changes in the kitchen can mean big changes in your health. Protect your body from the inside out. Our third threat hides in the deli aisle: processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats are loaded with nitrates and nitrites, preservatives that turn into harmful compounds in your body. These compounds trigger chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, slowly wearing down your arteries. Add high salt and saturated fat, and you have a triple threat to your heart. The result? Damaged arteries, high blood pressure, and increased risk of heart disease and cancer. The convenience of processed meats comes with a hidden cost. Choose fresh, unprocessed proteins like chicken, fish, beans, or lentils. Every swap spares your arteries from relentless chemical assault. What's easy for your schedule shouldn't be hard on your body. Rethink what's on your plate. Protect your health with every meal. Some threats wear a healthy disguise, like bottled juices, sweetened teas, and vitamin waters. Marketed as wholesome, these drinks are loaded with liquid sugar. Unlike whole fruit, juice drinks lack fiber, so sugar hits your bloodstream instantly. The result? Massive blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, and a cascade of inflammation. These drinks are sugar bombs in disguise, fueling fatigue, weight gain, and artery damage. Clever marketing hides the truth, but your body can't be fooled. Water is the best alternative, hydrating, cleansing, and inflammation-free. For flavor, add real fruit or herbs to your water. Unsweetened tea and coffee are also smart choices. Don't let labels mislead you. See past the marketing and protect your health. Every sip is a choice. Choose wisely. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pasta, rice, and cereals are fast sugars in disguise. Stripped of fiber and nutrients, they're digested quickly, spiking blood sugar and insulin. This triggers inflammation and exhausts your metabolic system. Over time, arteries stiffen and narrow, fueling the aging process. These foods are everywhere, cheap, convenient, and engineered to be irresistible. But they offer empty calories, lacking the vitamins and minerals your body needs. Instead, choose whole grains, beans, and starchy vegetables. These foods release energy slowly, keeping blood sugar stable and inflammation low. You don't need to cut carbs, just choose them wisely. Swap refined for whole, and nourish your body with every bite. It's a simple switch with big benefits. Fill your plate with foods that heal, not harm. Your future self will thank you. The fast food combo meal, a burger, fries, and soda, is a perfect storm of silent threats. Processed meats, refined carbs, reheated oils, and liquid sugar all hit your system at once. The result? Exponential inflammation, blood sugar chaos, and oxidative stress. Salt, fat, and sugar trigger a dopamine rush, making these meals addictive. The pleasure is short-lived, the damage is long-term. This cycle of craving and crash keeps you coming back for more. Breaking free means understanding what's really happening inside your body. Choose whole, unprocessed foods that satisfy without sabotaging your health. A meal of grilled chicken, salad, and sweet potato nourishes and sustains. Every meal is a chance to break the cycle. Don't let engineered foods hijack your health. Make choices that energize, not inflame. Your body and mind will notice the difference. Our final threat isn't food. It's chronic stress and poor sleep. In today's non-stop world, stress and sleeplessness are common, but they're toxic to your body. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, raising blood sugar and fueling inflammation, even if you eat perfectly. Poor sleep robs your body of its nightly repair time, letting inflammation build up day after day. The result? Accelerated aging, weakened immunity, and higher risk of disease. Stress and sleep deprivation feed each other, creating a downward spiral. Breaking the cycle starts with small habits, mindfulness, gentle exercise, and a consistent bedtime routine. Prioritize sleep, 7 to 9 hours a night. Manage stress with deep breathing, meditation, or time in nature. These aren't luxuries, they're essential for health. Give your body the peace and time it needs to heal. Every night of good sleep is a victory for repair. Every moment of calm is a step toward health. Don't let stress and sleeplessness silently erode your vitality. Take back control, one day and one night at a time. If you're still watching, you care about your future, and that's the first step to true longevity. On 8, our mission is to help you live longer, stronger, and wiser with science-backed guidance. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more. Comment, "I choose health," for a free 7-day inflammation reset checklist. Remember, you're not just aging, you're accumulating damage, but you have the power to reverse it, starting today. Health is built in small, consistent choices. Each meal, each night's sleep, each mindful moment. The journey begins now, with your very next choice.